Now we move forward to our last sponsor presentation of the evening before we get to the awards segment, the most awaited part of the evening, of course, and we have an international speaker who will also address you later in this evening. So it is only going to get better and better as every hour passes, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we would like to invite a representative from our design and innovation partner company, EPCO. EPCO has spent decades transforming the way we all interact with our environments, from high-performance kitchen systems to intelligent office ergonomics, and we definitely need those these days, right? We have a partner that absolutely values the fine print of design as much as the grand blueprint in itself. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we welcome Ms. Mamta Ambedkar, National Business Head, EPCO Private Limited, as we play an AV for you.
Excellence is what you do every day. It's a habit and not a goal, which is why we test everything. We go the extra mile. We push the limits. We leave nothing to chance. We take no shortcut. We spare no detail. So that when you use our products, they exceed expectations and perform effortlessly. Because excellence is a habit. EPCO Furniture Fittings. Live effortless.
Good evening, everyone. I am Mamta Ambedkar, National Business Head from EPCO. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present something that goes beyond hardware. I am here to present a design philosophy, a partner in your creative journey, and a brand that understands the pulse of modern spaces. We are EPCO. From a small manufacturing foundation to an industry benchmark, EPCO's journey has been driven by first-mover innovation and continuous evolution. Today, backed by Warburg & Pincus, we partner with architects to deliver globally relevant, future-ready hardware solutions. We are proud Make in India brand, truly Indian, truly world-class, with our head office and showroom in Mumbai, an advanced plant at Vasai and Palghar, with over 5 lakh square feet of state-of-art manufacturing facility, we deliver scalable, high-volume production with uncompromised quality and consistent craftsmanship. Our leadership, the EPCO spirit, visionary, grounded, and future-forward, Mr. Salil Sadanandan, with more than 3 decades of combined experience, he steers the brand with a rare blend of agility and design empathy. With 5,000 plus channel partner and a presence across every major city in India, EPCO ensures that support and service are never more than a call away. For your projects, every stage, we are there with speed, efficiency, and reliability. Our range is as diverse as your imagination. From ergonomic workstation, accessories, and modular furniture fitting to kitchen hardware and architectural hardware, whatever your design dream, we have the perfect solution to bring it to the life. All these and many more to our various experience centers. EPCO operates on globally benchmarked systems, ISO, BIS, and BIFMA, ensuring uncompromised quality, sustainability, safety, and performance in every solution we deliver. Design isn't just about beauty, it's about intuitive living. Our portfolio range is designed to elevate the way people interact with their spaces, transforming everyday routines into delightful experiences. EPCO's new innovation range brings intelligent hardware to life. Smarter movement, seamless access, and refined design, all engineered to elevate everyday living and workspace. Spinova 360-degree reflects EPCO's design-led thinking, an intelligent, space-transforming solution crafted to design aligns seamlessly with an architect's creative and the functional thought process. When India's fastest bowler chooses us, it's not just endorsement, it's a statement. Like Jasprit Bumrah, we are focused and consistently performing under pressure. He represents the precision we promise to every product.
There was a foodie from Jalandhar who had never been kitchen ke andar. After installing Epco, he is cooking jab dekho. And his preparations are absolute blockbusters. Now he bakes and roasts and blanches and toasts. His dishes disappear like Chumantar. Epco kitchen fittings. They change you. Epco. Live effortless.
Our bed fittings and accessories are engineered to optimize space, enhance comfort, and translate smart design intent into everyday functionality for modern bedrooms.
There was a young lady from Bangalore who did nothing much and was quite a bore. Then she got Epco compact room fittings and became quite interesting because she could do so much more. Now she's popular and fit. An influencer, she's lit. She's everything she wasn't before. Epco compact room fittings, they change you. Epco, live effortless.
Our wardrobe fittings are designed to maximize convenience and accessibility, helping architects deliver clutter-free, efficient storage with a refined user experience.
किचन में मसाले, वार्डरोब में सॉक्स, ढूंढते रह जाओगे अब नहीं. जियो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड विद एप्को. Epco, truly Indian and world class.
Epco's pole shelving system offers architect a versatile, modular solution that seamlessly adapts from retail displays to our elegant walk-in wardrobes. When it comes to furniture lighting, integrates seamlessly into cabinetry, enabling architects to enhance functionality, ambience, and visual hierarchy through lights.
Furniture lights from Epco. See your furniture in a new light. Epco. Live effortless.
Epco is trusted by leading institutions, corporates, and global brands, reinforcing our credibility as a long-term partner for large-scale, high-impact architectural projects. Thank you once again for your time and trust. Let's design better, smarter, and bolder together with Epco. We are excited to be part of your next visionary projects. We welcome you to our showroom at Ernakulam, TTL, New Discovery Center. We are looking for your presence eagerly. Thank you so much for your time and trust. Have a lovely evening ahead. Thank you so much.